Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 23451, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, and talking about the new thing in this build. Firstly, we have modernized Details pane in File Explorer. Microsoft is introducing a modernized Details pane in File Explorer designed to help you easily access related content, stay up to date with file activity, and collaborate without even opening a file. When a user selects a file in File Explorer and enables the pane, a modern pane will display contextual information about the file including file thumbnail, share status and button, file activity, related files and emails, and other information. Next to that, we have improved Windows Spotlight. Starting with this build, Microsoft is trying out two different treatments for how Windows Spotlight looks. Both treatments will continue to share existing core Windows Spotlight features such as hovering over the icon on the desktop, right-clicking on the icon on the desktop, and double-clicking on the icon on the desktop. One treatment will include a richer UI, full screen, and minimized experience. Both treatments will include 4K portrait images and the ability to learn more about each desktop image. Insiders in the dev channel will see different treatments across their PCs, so not everyone will see the same thing and the treatments will be shown in English only. Next to that, we have enhanced narrator interaction with Excel. Narrator now provides a more succinct and efficient reading experience while working in Microsoft Excel. Announcements are prioritized based on the information you need to skim a workbook and are customizable using convenient keyboard shortcuts. Lastly, we have new widget for Facebook. Facebook is rolling out a preview version of their widget. To give it a try, download the Facebook app from the Microsoft Store or update to the latest version of the app. Then open the Widgets board and navigate to the Widgets picker by clicking the plus button at the top right of the board to pin your widget. So, these were the new things introduced to this build. Now moving forward, and talking about the changes and improvements, for Start menu, Microsoft is beginning to expand the rollout of notification badging for Microsoft accounts on the Start menu. A Microsoft account is what connects Windows to your Microsoft apps, backs up all of your data, helps you manage subscriptions, and where you can add extra security steps so you're never locked out of your account. With this feature, Microsoft is giving customers quick access to important account-related notifications. These notifications can be managed by going to Settings, Personalization, Start. For File Explorer, for Windows insiders who have Gallery in File Explorer, which began rolling out with build 23435, Microsoft has updated the icon for Gallery. For widgets, Microsoft is beginning to roll out a new widget picker experience with an image that gives a visual preview of the widget before pinning, a deep linking ability that allows users to jump directly to the picker from the provider app/service, as well as a link to the widget store collection page where users can discover more apps with widgets. Also, Microsoft is beginning to roll out animated icons for widgets on the taskbar. The animation triggers when you hover or click on the widget's taskbar entry point or when a new widget announcement is displayed on your taskbar. Currently, only a few weather and finance icons are supported. For live captions, languages support has been expanded to include Danish, English, Ireland, French, Canada, Korean, Portuguese, Portugal. Lastly, for developer, enabling End Task by right-clicking on an app on the taskbar under Settings, Privacy and Security, for developers now works in this build. The setting for this first showed up with build 23430, but the feature was not working. So, that was all the changes and improvements in this build. Moving forward, and talking about the fixes, for taskbar, and system tray, fixed an Explorer.exe crash impacting taskbar reliability. Fixed an issue that was causing quick settings and its project options to sometimes not respond when using Alt+F4 to close them. For Start menu, fixed an issue that was causing the recommended section in Start to be blank the first time it was opened. For File Explorer, fixed the following issues for insiders previewing the Windows App SDK version of File Explorer, fixed an underlying issue believed to be the cause of Explorer.exe crashing when opening the context menu in the previous flight for some insiders. If you use an Arabic or Hebrew display language, the tabs should be displaying correctly now. Also fixed the following issues for insiders with Gallery in File Explorer, fixed an issue where the scroll bar for Gallery was displaying on the wrong side for insiders with an Arabic or Hebrew display language. If you have the item checkboxes setting enabled, the Gallery will now show checkboxes on images. For search, did some work to fix an underlying issue which could cause search to get stuck and not open. When this happened, you might also see a delay opening the Start menu. For input, fixed an issue where the pinned Unime's Insert Text button wasn't displaying correctly in some cases. Fixed an underlying crash impacting the ability to launch the touch keyboard, pin entry on the login screen. For notifications, fixed another 2FA code pattern which wasn't being recognized. For live captions, fixed an issue where caption characters shown in the second line of the default height window were getting clipped on top. Features have been added to the enhanced speech recognition language files to improve performance and provide out-of-language filtering meant to limit the incorrect captions for speech not in the caption language. Lastly, for accessibility, fixed an issue where using the down key while navigating by landmark with narrator and Edge wasn't jumping to the first line of the landmark correctly. So that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.